everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Campus Placement. So guys, if this Baxter Pharmaceuticals, which is an American multinational company in the field of healthcare, this company is also visiting your campuses to hire you, you must prepare some of the important relevant pointers for your HR interview. See, this particular interview is, accessing your communication communication skills, your confidence skills basically, and your analytical part, your problem solving things, that how mature you are being a fresher and how prepared you are to get in a company, right? So you might aware about this company is very renowned in the sector of healthcare. Now we must prepare some of the relevant pointers. Let's just discuss it out one by one. So this is Baxter Pharmaceuticals, and this is the important content you always need to prepare for every kind of company. Year of establishment, historical milestones we need to be aware of when it has been incorporated, when it has been established, and everything, right? Products and services we must aware. Main business verticals ki where it has been working, that is something very important. Team management, who is the chairman, and of course it's, you can say, mission and vision, its current initiative of that company, current news related to that company, and of course interview questions which you might prepare with the Yourpedia mentors like in HR sessions, right? So this is something need to prepare about this company. ये कुछ important pointers हैं जो हमें शायद पता होने चाहिए जब हम इंटरव्यू में बैठे हैं कि वो बेसिक क्वेश्चन आपको पूछे और आपको पता हो. This is Baxter Pharmaceuticals, which is a leading American multinational healthcare in USA, founded in 1931 by Dr. Donald Baxter, right? ये Dr. Donald Baxter ने इसको find out किया था 1931 में. So that you need to be prepare. And ये company जो है that is focusing on therapies, products addressing chronic and acute medical conditions, especially in critical care, renal, hospital, pharmaceuticals and medical device spaces, right? जो Baxter's के major business areas है that includes medical products and therapies, healthcare systems and technologies, pharmaceuticals, inhalation, anesthetics and anti-affective pain, critical care and oncology drugs. इनमें ये basically deal करता है. In India, Baxter operates through Baxter Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited, ठीक है? अहमदाबाद में है ये with robust R&D and enterprise IT centers in Bangalore, and एक official commercial office है गुरुग्राम में. And this is BPIPL in India. BPIPL, that is Baxter operates through Baxter's Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited. Global leader है in intravenous and infusion therapies में, advanced surgeries में, renal therapies में, digital healthcare systems में. 48,000 employees across global, and it has commercial presence across more than 100 countries. जो इसकी sales है ये थोड़ा सा you should have a look over there कि it has been reached to $14.8 billion globally, which is demonstrating steady and diversified growth. ठीक है? Baxter's का जो mission is to save and sustain lives with a history of first developing vacuum blood containers. अभी इसके रिसेंट अगर हिस्टोरिकल उसकी बात करूँ मैं 2015 में स्पान ऑफ बायोफार्मा बिजनेस एट बैक्सला, ठीक है? 2021 में इसने हिलरम को एक्वायर किया था, एक्सपैंडिंग डिजिटल हेल्थ. देन 2023 में इट हैज़ बीन सोल्ड बायोफार्मा सॉल्यूशंस यूनिट एंड डाइवर्सिटेड किडनी केयर बिजनेस वेंटिव में इसने किया था. 2024 में रिज्यूम्ड क्रिटिकल IV फ्लूइड्स प्रोडक्शन इन US आफ्टर हरिकेन लिंक डिस्ट्रप्शन. And Baxter's India has operated for over 25 years with a strong local presence product range. It is present globally and it is present in India. That is Baxter Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited, which is in Bangalore, which is also in Gurugram. Right? So it has been serving across lot of years and it's very important. Business है इसकी major medical products and therapies, hospitals, pharmaceuticals, injections, एंटी-इफेक्टिव पेन, क्रिटिकल केयर में जो प्रोडक्ट्स काम आते हैं, हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम इन टेक्नोलॉजीज, रीनल थेरेपीज, एडवांस सर्जरीज. प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज में IV सॉल्यूशंस एंड इन्फ्यूजन सिस्टम्स, बैग्स, वायल्स, ठीक है? एडवांस सर्जिकल प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाते हैं, क्रिटिकल केयर एंड एंथिया फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, कनेक्टेड केयर सॉल्यूशंस, हॉस्पिटल न्यूट्रिशन एंड पेरेंटल न्यूट्रिशन प्रोडक्ट्स, सर्विस एंड सपोर्ट. टॉप मैनेजमेंट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट राइट नाउ, चेयरमैन इज ब्रेंट शेफर, interim through July, ठीक है? And present CEO is Andrew Hyder. So these are the top management of Baxter Pharmaceuticals. Current initiative है transformation and portfolio optimization, innovation in digital health, like they have been launched various technologies related to various traditional therapies जो technological तरीके से भी हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, emerging market expansion है, current news if I'll talk तो delivered sales growth of 4% in line with guidance fiscal year 2025, ठीक है, तो ये raised कर रहा है basically, leadership transition, appointment of Andrew Hyder as president and CEO, diversity and business focus, completed sale of Ventev renal therapies का, सर्जरी में एडवांस किया है हॉस्पिटल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड हेलियम बेस्ड डिजिटल सॉल्यूशन जो उन्होंने एक्वायर किया था. इंडिया मैन्युफैक्चरिंग R&D एक्सपेंशन, सो दिस इज स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टमेंट इन अहमदाबाद एंड बेंगलुरु सेंटर्स टू सपोर्ट लोकल एंड ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट लॉन्चेस. अब इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस क्या आएंगे. व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट Baxter Pharmaceuticals? This is a leading global company, multinational company which is led by America and US and which has been founded in 1931 by Dr. Donald. So I can say it out, Donald Baxter basically. So ये आपको मेजर चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए, which is serving across various digital therapies, various solutions. It is basically focusing on very critical solutions, surgeries, kidneys, lot of things are there. Majorly आपको बस इतना कुछ चीज़ें बतानी है which you need to quote down in this question. Then it comes to why do you want to join, ठीक है, and of course how you going to be contribute in this growth. See, you want to contribute because of its leadership, because of its innovation, because of its R&D investment, and of course your also like interest also aligns with that. See, students who are doing B Pharma, D Pharma, pharmaceuticals, and they are in chemical engineer also, they are very much in like biotechnology, or I can say geology. Of course the geology can be a separate part, but still related to biology and all these kinds of students, if they are preparing for such kind of multinational companies, this is a good opportunity to be go with, right? But you must appear and you must prepare about this Baxter Pharmaceuticals, these relevant pointers. How are you going to be contributing that? With your skills, analytical skills, with your technical skills in your core domain of that pharmaceuticals. If you are pursuing PhD, if you are doing that and you want to be part in that particular company or you can say in these opportunities, so you can take this. For that you need to take out this documentation from your PDF panel of campus placement, prepare it well and practice these questions with your PDF mentors in different HR sessions. So looking forward to mentor you out for every kind of interview. Good luck.